How does the brain create a stress response? I'll go ahead and walk you through a three-step process. First, the brain has to actually perceive some sort of a stimulus. Let's say that you're in the forest and you're walking around and you suddenly see a bear. That visual sensory information is relayed through your eyes to a region of your brain at the posterior or backmost part called the occipital lobe, and the occipital lobe will actually integrate that sensory information. So now, all you know is that there's a bear in front of you, but that's not enough. Next, your brain has to actually recognize that there should be some sort of fear associated with that stimulus, and that's where a part of the brain that's highlighted in red here called the amygdala comes in. The amygdala is responsible for intaking sensory stimuli and actually associating the emotional response of fear with those stimuli. Lastly, neuroendocrine signaling occurs in order to initiate a bodily stress response that'll help you escape that dangerous sighting. First, the hypothalamus, a gland in your brain, is going to release something called corticotropin-releasing hormone, a chemical that'll travel to the pituitary gland, and the pituitary gland will then release another chemical to the rest of your body called adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH, which will stimulate another gland on top of your kidneys called the adrenal gland to release cortisol, initiating what we recognize as a stress response.